a yen, a buck, or a pound, a buck, or a pound, a buck, or a pound is all that makes the world go round. That clinking, clanking sound can make the world go round. If you happen to be rich and you feel like a night's entertainment, you can pay for a gay escapade. If you happen to be rich and alone and you need a companion, you can ring ding-a-ling for the maid. If you happen to be rich and you find you are left by your lover, though you moan and you groan quite a lot, you can take it on the chin, call a cab and begin to recover on your 14-carat yacht. Money makes the world go around, the world go around, the world go around. Money makes the world go around, of that we can be sure. I'm being poor. Money, 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 money. If you haven't any coal in the stove and you freeze in the winter and you curse to the wind at your face, when you haven't any shoes on your feet and you're coached in a paper and you look 30 pounds underweight, when you go to get a word of advice from the fat little pastor, he will tell you to love evermore. So when hunger comes around, rat-a-tat, at the window.
At the window.
Who's there?
Hunger!
Ugh, hunger. See how love flies out the door. For money makes the world
Go round,
the world,
go round,
the world.
go round,
Money makes the
go round.
that clinking, clanking sound of money, 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 money. Get it, get it, money, 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 money. Mark a yen, a buck for a pound. That clinking, clanking, clanking sound. So that makes the world go round.